very good evening to all of the enthusiastic and curious minds present here. Today, I, Master Gurunath Khanolkar, welcome you to this enlightening session on behalf of Epsilon, the Math Club of Junior College. Epsilon has always been enthusiastically working to make mathematics simple and interesting. Mathematics is a very beautiful subject whose applications can be observed daily in our surroundings. However, some students are really afraid of this subject because of some complex and lengthy calculations. This fear is justified as some calculations, if done through the traditional methods, become very lengthy and can be inaccurate. However, the great Indian history, which has answers to questions from a wide variety of subjects, from science to spirituality, has solved this problem also. Vedic maths is a unique way of solving mathematical calculations. It involves tricks which can help you solve complex arithmetical calculations on your fingertips. These tricks are not only useful to your examinations and academics but also in your daily life. Therefore, without taking much of your time, let's deep dive into the ocean of knowledge. I'll now request Bhavna ma'am to start the session.
All right, students. So as I said, we are here to discuss few of those tricks. Let's begin with the first one, which is very simple and maybe some of you even know about it. Let me stop my video so that my presentation doesn't lag. All right, here we go. All right, so to begin with, let's find how to find the square of a number ending with 5. Square of a number ending with 5. How many of you are aware of the short trick of finding square of a number ending with 5? Yeah, my Vice President Vishaka knows it. Any more students? Yeah, very good. Quite a few of you know. So for those who don't know, just to begin with, I just started a simple, yes, Rashmi ma'am knows, very good. She's been attending Vedic math sessions, so she knows. Now, when you want to find square of 25, remember any number which ends with 5, the square has to end with 25. Okay, any number which ends with 5, the square has to end with 25. Now, look at the first digit, it's 2. What comes after 2? The next digit is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, the square will be 625. 45 square. So 5 square is 25. And 4 multiplied by next digit will be 4 into 5, 20. So the answer will be 2025. Understood, students? Okay, very simple. I'm giving you 3 numbers. Put on the chat box the square of those 3 numbers within the span of 3 seconds. 3 numbers, the square of those 3 numbers in 3 seconds. Here they go. 85 square, 95 square, 105 square. Your time starts. 1, 2, and 3. Rushda, excellent, excellent. Yes, but I wanted all the 3. Very good, very good. So here 8 into 9. 8 nines are 72, 25. 9 into next digit is 10. So 9 tens are 90, 25. And 10 after that the next digit is 11. So 10 into 11 is 110 followed by 25. Perfect. All right, got it? 2 more quickly. Square of 115 and square of 195. Yes, square root of 115 will be 11. The next digit is 12, and you know 11 into 12. That much orally we know. So 132 followed by 25, and 19. Next digit is 20. So 19 into 20 is 380 followed by 25. Perfect. All right. So this was one of the simplest tricks. Those who didn't know, hopefully now they know it. Okay, how to find square of a number ending with 5. First digit, or rather the last digit is 5, it'll end with 25, and the initial digits multiplied by the next number will be the final answer. All right. Now we go to another kind of special case of multiplication. And here in this case, look at this. What do you find? What is your observation here? That the first digit is same and the second digits add up to 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. So when you have the first digit same and the second digits add up to 10, we will apply the same trick. What will be the trick? 5 into the next digit is 6. So 5 6 are 30. And 6 into 4 is 24. 3024. Okay, you identify what type of product is this. The first digit should be same and the second digit should add up to 10. Let's take one more. 73 into 77. 3 plus 7 is 10. So this, here you will apply this trick. 7 is the first digit into the next number is 8. 7 8s are 56. And 3 7s are 21. So the answer will be 5621. Yeah, Rashmi, 5621. It will be the other way now. Yeah. Okay. Students ready for 2 more products like this, where the first digit is same, remember. So you pick up that digit, multiply by the next number, and find out the product of the numbers of units places. Here you go. I want chat box responses, quick responses. 32 into 38.
12, 16.
Yes. 3 4s are 12. Yes. And 8 2s are 16. Perfect. 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 And the next one.
5609.
5609.
Sorry, I'm.
Yes, yes, Bharti ma'am. Yes, you are right. 5609 is the right answer. Very good. Bhumika, you gave both the answers correct. Perfect. All right. So this was, these were the simple ones: multiplication, perfect square, and multiplication of 2-digit numbers and special case. Now you people are very, irritated by division part. So let's come to that. Here comes division of a number by 9. Ilaf, you want me to repeat the trick? Okay, here we go. Suppose you have 43 into 47. 4 and 4 are same. So you write 4 5s are 20 and 3 7s are 21. Where the units place is same and the tens digits add up to 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Like one more, 72 into 78. All right, 7 into next digit is 8. So 7 8s are 56 and 2 8s are 16. No need to go like this, 72 into 78 and then 0 and then 2 14. No need to do all that. All right, I hope you have understood. Okay, now we go to division by 9. Suppose I ask you, what is 2 upon 9? Divisha has any problem? 81 into 89. Was there anything wrong? 81 into 89. 8 9s are 72. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. 8 9s are 72 and 09. Perfect. Correction. Yes, yes. All right. If I tell you what is 2 upon 9, you will do this division, 2 divided by 9, isn't it? Then you will say you can't divide, so put 0 and then 20 and then 9 2s are 18 and then again do the subtraction 2 and then 0 0. That's how you have been doing it. No need to do this division at all ever in life. Remember, 2 upon 9 will be equal to 0.2222 up to whatever decimal places, because in division normally you ask teacher, Miss, how many decimal places? The teacher says 2, you are happy. The teacher says 5, oh no, 5 decimal places. Now here you can just write the answer to whatever decimal places you are asked. Have you got it? So what will be 4 upon 9? Yes, it will be recurring through. So what will be 4 upon 9? You're right, 0.4444. No need to do the division. No need to do like this. 4 divided by 9. No, not required. What will be 8 upon 9? Simply 0.8888. Whatever. How many decimal places you want, you go on. Understood this trick, students? Now, I'm giving you 2 more. Quickly write the answer. 7 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Within a second, I know you are able to write the answer. Yes, yes, yes. Just before 2 seconds are over, I'm getting answer on my chat box. Excellent. अभी कहानी में थोड़ा twist है. What is a twist? Suppose I have 12 upon 9. Don't be in a hurry. 12 upon 9 will not be 0.12 because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Students, utna maths to kiya hai na 10 saal. If the numerator is greater than denominator, answer will be more than 1. Right? So now you have to divide, but you have to divide only one step. You divide 9 ones are 9. Now what is the remainder? The remainder is 3. Right? So you are doing 3 divided by 9. And so answer will be 0.3333. Are you getting it? So 12 divided by 9. So you write 9 ones are 9. Then the remainder is 3. And now you're doing 3 divided by 9. So you apply the first part of the trick and you write the answer 3333. All right. What will be 15 upon 9? So again you divide. 9 ones are 9. But the remainder will be now 6. Right? So the answer will be 6666. Perfect. Do you think it's going to save your time? 15 upon 9? Right? Okay. I'm putting 2 more. Quickly give me the answer. 23 upon 9. Vishakha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Um,
23 upon 9 and 44 upon 9. So 23 upon 9, you have to divide. When you divide, the table will say 9 2s are 18. Okay, and the remainder will be, what will be the remainder? 5, correct? So 5, 5, 5, 5. And here 9 4s are 36 and the remainder will be 8. So 8, 8, 8, 8. Perfect, perfect. All right, okay. So students, have you understood how to divide a number, a small number with 9 without going into actual division? Now your life will be miserable with this kind of calculation, with this kind of question. What is 2 upon 99? Imagine you actually divide 2 with 99 and then you perform the division, because then you're doing multiplication, then you're doing subtraction, then again multiplication, then subtraction, and so on. All right. Now what is 2 upon 99? Any guesswork? If 2 upon 9 is 0.2222. Okay, then 2 upon 99 will be 0.020202. All right, it will be 0.020202. Understood? Because then you're talking about two digits. So your decimal place also will be having 02. If you have 4 upon 99, you will not do this division 4 divided by 99. Okay, you will straight away write the answer as 0.040404. Yes. Just by looking at the fraction, you are ready with your answer. Isn't it amazing? Tell me, isn't it amazing? Looking at the question, you are ready with the answer. Yeah? Yes. So 2 more and give me the answer quickly on the chat box. Yes, 0.0707 and 0.0505. Perfect. Perfect. And you can go on till whatever decimal places you are asked to find the answer and round up accordingly. All right. Now, if you have a 2-digit number to be divided by 99, as I had given you in the introduction for 57 divided by 99. Oh my God. Either you will skip this answer, you will say, I'll do the calculation later at the end of the paper, right? You will say, we baad mein dekhte hain. It's so complicated and I'll make mistakes. But remember, it's so simple. If you have 23 upon 99, the answer will be simply 0.232323. Cool? I'm sure somebody is definitely checking with the calculator what Bhavna ma'am is saying is right or not. Isn't it? I'm sure my smart students are checking with the calci. Is this correct or not? Cross check, cross check. You are checking my calculations. Someday somebody will check your calculations. How can this person give the answers so quickly? Yes, still right. Yes. 47 upon 99. Quick. 47 upon 99. Don't do division. It is 0.474747. Yes. Right? And your mind is so relaxed and so cool. You are not stressed with this kind of division. Yeah, Satish, you can go on. Why only these many decimal places? Still more decimal places. Right? And please your examiner. All right, 2 more quickly here. 71 upon 99 and 83 upon 99.
0.71717,
Yes.
0.8388.
Yes, Bharti. Yes, excellent, Bharti ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for making math so easy.
Imagine, no, even I wouldn't, dare to attempt these kind of divisions because
Yes.
99 ka table kisko yaad hai yaar? वो इतना करो मेहनत. But now see, the answer is so easy within a fraction of a second. And now the last part. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ा twist है बच्चों. Be little careful. If I say 121 upon 99, your answer has to be more than 1 because the numerator is greater than the denominator. All right. So you divide 99 ones are 99. And now tell me what is the remainder? The remainder will be, your 121.
22.
Yes, right? So you write 90. So actually 100 se count karo to 21 to hai, he plus 1 more, 22. So 2, 2, 2, 2. That's it. All right. 146 upon 99. So again you divide. The quotient will be 1. The remainder will be 46 plus 1, 47. Yes. So 4747. 2 more quick answer on the chat box, but be little careful. Little careful. 207 upon 99 and 357 upon 99.
2.08, yeah.
No, 2.09.
09.
Yes, 2.09, because the remainder will be 2, right? 7 plus 1 plus 1. So the remainder will be 9. And 357, if you divide by 3 and you count from 300, then 57 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
3.6060.
Yes, 6060. I mean, I will never think of doing this kind of division. And I'll be so tired at the end of it. And I'm not sure still my answer is correct or not, because somewhere I must have gone wrong and made mistakes in subtraction or multiplication, right? Whereas here the answer is so accurate and so fast and makes you so happy. Yeah? Okay, students, are you enjoying this session? Students, are you enjoying this session? You can unmute yourself and speak, or I mean, you can just request to unmute.
Yes, ma'am, we are enjoying.
My 12th standard students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my 12th standard students who are going to give this maths exam with correlation, regression, topics like correlation, regression, probability, and maths 2 is full of calculations, right? So if you know these tricks, at least you will be at peace of mind. You will be very cool in your exam, in your paper. All right? Okay. Now, students, I want to tell you one thing. ये भावना मैम का discovery नहीं है. Bhavna ma'am has learned from somewhere else, some books, some videos, some of my friends have taught me. And so I'm bringing it to you. And I'm sure you will pass on these tricks to your friends and your people around you, your students at home, all right? And make sure that maths is made so easy and stress-free for many students you come across. All right, now we go further. Oh my God. Imagine dividing a number by 999. But I think now by now you have learned the trick of the trade. So I am just going to pose the question and I will expect you to give me the answer without me explaining the trick. Let me not say anything. Yes, Ashi, you're right. Yes, everybody is right because it's a 3-digit here. So the answer will be 0.002 and recurring. 002 will be recurring. Perfect. 7 upon 999. 0.007007. Perfect. And 2 more. 0.004004. See, if it was 4 upon 9, if it was 4 upon 9, it is 0.4. If it is 4 upon 99, it is 0.04. And if it is 4 upon 999, it is 0.004. That's it. Okay. So please understand how we are connecting the tricks. There is logical connection among these. Okay. You divide by 9, 99 and 999. And of course, this will be 0.008 and so on. If it is 2-digit number, tell me. 87 upon 999.
Zero 0.087087.
Yes. 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 Because it's a 2-digit in denominator. 3 digit.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. अभी जिंदगी में कोई भी 87 upon 999 करने को थोड़ी जाने वाला है, वो कैलसी से ही करेगा. लेकिन 12th standard तक calculators are not allowed. Till 12th standard, the board doesn't allow you to use calculator. All right. So these kind of tricks will definitely help you. Okay. 39 upon 999, same way, 0.037, 039 and 039 and so on. And the last two, quickly. The last two, quick on the chat box.
0.057, 0.046.
0.057 and 0.46. Yes, yes, yes. Recurring. Now, little be careful with the 3-digit number. 673 upon 999. don't think so much. 0.673, 673, 673, and so on. Yes, yes. 0.811. Before anybody can think, you are ready with the answer. You know, कोई ऐसा लिखने को भी जाएगा, before somebody even presses the key on a calculator, you are ready with the answer. And similarly, the next two. All right. So these were the division tricks. Before I come to an end of the session, there are two tricks left. One is division by 25. Suppose you have to divide a number with 25. Obviously, this is not divisible because it is not ending with 5 or 0. So what you have to do is multiply 3257 with 4. Okay. So just multiplying by 4. Okay, is this what you get? Now you put 2 decimal places. You put a digit at 2 decimal places. Yeah, that is the answer. Where am I? Yeah, so 130.28. You understood the trick here, students? What am I doing? What is actually done? 3257 upon 25 pucha hai. If you multiply and divide by 4, right, your answer is going to remain the same. Now, the numerator, you find out the product, 13028. Denominator.
Bhavna ma'am, we multiply by 4 because we want that denominator 100.
Yes, that's what I said. Yes.
Okay.
And once you make denominator 100, you just have to put 2 decimal places and the answer will be 130.28.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, but I guess Dhruv has asked some question. What about 4-digit?
Where is it? Okay, I can't find. I missed that chat. 4-digit where? Dividing by 999? I guess
Yes,
so.
ma'am. During that time only he asked that question.
Okay. Yeah, so Dhruv, let me not go back to the previous slide. I'm putting it here only. Suppose your number is 1357 divided by 999, right? You know the numerator is greater than the denominator, so you have to actually, you know, the quotient will be 1. Now check what is the remainder. So if it was 1000, right, the remainder will be what? 357 plus 1 more, 358. Yeah, so that is the answer. Can you check with the calculator? Is this answer correct?
No, ma'am.
Sorry? Is this answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. And you go on. Suppose it is 2124. Divide by 999. Then it will be 2 point. And now the remainder will be 124 plus 1 plus 1. So 126. Yes, correct. See, whatever trick we use it for division with 9, division with 99, the same is extended for division with 999. All right. Okay. So now shall we go continue with division by 25?
Ma'am, if it means denominator, it means it's coming by 2 division. It means we are adding 2, right? If we are putting 2 point, it means last number we are adding 2, right?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
When we are putting 1, then we are adding 1.
Yeah, yeah. You can take it that way. You can understand it that way.
Okay.
But actually, what is happening within that, that if you divide by like 1000, then your answer will be 1000 to the 2s are 2000, right?
Yeah. So then
okay.
that remaining
in that
is
case,
124.
The remainder is
124. So then we are adding 2 na, because we divided by, yeah. That's what I'm asking.
You are doing the वो gap 2 बार fill कर रहे हो आप 1000 से नहीं कर रहे हो 999 से कर रहे हो तो वो 2 बार वो gap fill up करना है तो remainder will be added by 2 that way.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Bhumi, you can do this division with 9999 on your own now. It will get very monotonous if I continue like this. say 3578 divided by 9999. The answer will be 0.357835783578.
Ma'am,
Okay. Huh. And if it is a 3-digit number, say 679 upon 9999, then the answer will be 0.067906790679. Yes, correct. The same logic you are applying, you are extending to 999, 999 and 9999 and so on. Yes, can we go ahead now? So now continuing with division by 25. See students, I'm sharing the trick with you right now. It seems very easy, it's fun. But later on when you have to apply, so you should not forget it, right? So remember you have to attempt that quiz and that's very important. Okay, fine. Now here we go. Next is, oh my God, 712608 upon 25. So quickly multiply 712608. So multiply with 4.
ये क्विकली किधर होगा मल्टीप्लाई मैम?
होगा ना, लेकिन डिवीजन से तो इजी है ना मैम. नो, डिवीजन विद 25 से तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन है.
28,504,32.
Yeah, correct. See, they could do it because see, if you do this division without calculator, remember ma'am, without calculator, then it's going to take a very long time. Rather than, because then every time you are doing subtraction, then again multiplication, then again subtraction, वो procedure में तो कितना paper में time जाएगा और mistakes भी होगा और दिमाग भी थक जाता है. So here it is in one step. You're just multiplying by 4 and that is giving you the answer. Yes, Naman, it is easy multiplying, correct, rather than dividing. Yeah, and it's relatively quick, correct. Relatively much quick, right? More than quick, yes. Oh, this is fun. Multiplication by 11. I'm sure some of you must be knowing this trick. How to multiply 317 by 11? Ansari, you have to put the decimal point and don't forget that, because then your denominator is becoming 100. So after, before 32, there'll be a decimal point. Okay. Do people know this trick? See, you don't actually multiply this by 3170 and then you do like this and then you do once again 7, 1 and 3 and then you add up, right? So instead of doing all this, what you do is write the last digit 7, then add the consecutive digits in reverse. So 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus nothing, 3. So your answer will be 3487. Ayla.
Sorry.
Okay, here. So last it is 3 as it is. Keep on adding the numbers in reverse order. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 plus nothing, 2. So answer will be 25883.
Okay.
Children, is it making sense? Multiplication by 11? Yeah. How to multiply a number, any long number, 8239. So last digit is 9. 9 plus 3, 12, carry 1. 2 plus 3, 5, carry 1, 6, and then 0, and then 8 plus 1, 9. 90629. Oh, VG sir has written a very nice message. Please read. The technique of such calculations will help you all in board exams, because all of you don't know how to use log table for such simplified calculation. Yeah, unfortunately, log table is not there and calculator is also not there. So without these two tools, if you have to do such lengthy and tedious calculations, these tricks will be really very helpful. All right, chat box here. Give me the answer to the next 3. Bharti, can you give me the answer to this one?
अच्छा पहले मैं वॉइस में लिखूंगी, मैं चैट में नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है.
चलेगा ना?
हाँ चलेगा.
So, हाँ,
हाँ.
so 1 8 मैं उधर से
Yes.
दूंगी 1 8
हाँ.
9
Yes.
6 4
Correct.
4 6 9
Perfect.
8 1. Yes.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Yes.
Then there's
And the
6
next
7
6,
9
11. So
1
1, carry 1.
1.
Then
Okay. So then
5 plus 3, 8 and carry
8,
1, 9.
1 9 and 5.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right. Bhavesh, I think you went wrong. Carry नहीं add किया है वहाँ पे. Will it be 5 8 or 5 9? You have to 5 9, right? तो carry add करना पड़ेगा. Simple addition बच्चा लोग. Addition में you have to add that 1 or 2 which goes carry, right? Which gets carried further. And the last one. I hope you people have done the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, perfect. Somebody on the chat. Oh, Divisha is ready. Very good. Imagine, yeah, you genius people doing such lengthy calculations within a fraction of seconds. Okay, and that too absolutely fully correct answer. Great students, great students. All right, now we come to the end of the session. I have to share one last trick with you. And I know you people are so scared of subtraction with decimals. Subtraction with decimals, right? So subtraction of a decimal from 1. Say this one, a simple one. How much time you will take? You will do like this, right? 1.0000 minus 0.235. And now then you will borrow and all that stuff you will do, right? And then, oh my God. What you have to do is take the complements of these digits with 9. Complement matlab what plus this digit will give you 9. 2 plus what is 9? 7. 3 plus what is 9? 6. And 5 plus what is 10? Remember, last ka complement with 10. 5. Dhruv, still this will be faster. You reverse the process and add, but still this will be faster. You are actually doing this, right? You are subtracting 5 from 10. Then you're making this 9 and you're making this 9. So you're subtracting them from 9, right? Okay. You're actually doing this. But why you have to show all this? You can directly write the answer.
भावना मैम फिर से रिपीट कीजिए. अच्छा, second you are showing. Okay.
Yeah. 6 plus what is 9? 3. 3 plus what is 9? 6. 8 plus what is 9? 1. 7 plus what is 10?
Okay, 3.
3.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Quickly. 0 point. Now here, take the complements with 9 of the first all digits except the last one.
6274. Yeah.
6274. Perfect.
Next is 0.
0 point. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 3 plus 7 is 10. Last ka 10.
Okay.
0 point. 4's complement of 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 0.
0.58033.
And then 6 plus 3 is 9. But 7 plus 3 is 10. So last digit ka complement with 10. 58033. Perfect. Imagine you doing this like this. 1.0000 minus 0.41967. And then keep on doing this 3 and then. This will go so easy. Actually, you're doing the same thing. But now you're doing it in a very, smart way, I should say. You're doing it in a very smart way. Little twist, if I can say 2 minus 0.9753. I'm doing the same decimal, but 2 minus. then the answer will be
8.
1
8 से होगा?
point.
1 point. Okay. So
1
then
point.
again
फिर
9
बाकी
से.
का same होगा. हाँ,
Okay,
बाकी का
9.
same होगा 0247.
0.
Instead of this, you will have 1.04 because ये 2 से subtract हो रहा है. So now being math students, you know this much, right? If it is 3 minus whatever, then the answer will be 2 point something. So before decimal, the subtraction part, you know very well. It is only that after decimal point, the subtraction part goes little tedious. So for that, you apply this trick. All right, students.
रश्मि थोड़ा किधर डिफिकल्ट था, अभी ये याद रहने का बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट.
Rashmi, you will get it with the little practice.
Little practice, yes.
5 minutes you practice and then it will be in your hands. Just 5 minutes you have to practice one trick and then it's yours forever.
Thank you so much, ma'am. With us.
All right, students. Yeah. I hope you people have enjoyed the session and you people will be definitely benefited by the tricks which I have shared with you. Pooja ma'am is here. Oh, sorry, Pooja ma'am, I didn't realize you were here. I hope you attended some of the tricks at least.
I saw the last one which Rashmi wrote. It is so difficult.
Oh, Rashmi.
No, ma'am, it was a very nice session. Very nice.
You know, one thing that I was scared in my school was maths. कभी मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ा और पापा की बहुत मार खाई जब मैं जीरो लाती थी कभी. This is not a secret I should keep, because you know maths was something. It says when you have a lovely teacher and a mentor which is taking you closer to maths, then the fear of maths go away. It depends on how your teacher is. So I was looking at Bhavna and all students were doing yes, they have understood. I was looking at the answers and I said yes, Bhavna has been teaching such lovely tricks to students. And I must say, Bhavna ji, maths teacher से मुझे बहुत डर लगता है क्योंकि मुझे कभी पल्ले नहीं पड़ी maths. Numbers is what I'm fearful of, but yes, as you say, practice makes man perfect. And I'm sure what you have been doing with our students of junior college as well as degree college, if they are attending today, they will be able to get some of the tricks and it will help them. A chartered accountant can use this and an actual science student can use this, and many other competitions that these kids go, these tricks can be useful. So I'm glad.
Yeah, if you allow me, we will just give you one demo. I would like to show it to you how the students have done this trick. If I just tell you, ma'am, just forget about the heading. Here we go. Yes. Suppose I tell you, ma'am, what is 53 upon 99? You will use calculator. And here, look at the chat box. Students, ma'am, are you reading the chat box?
Yes.
Yeah, they are ready with the answer.
535353.
Yes. 1 second, ma'am. Is 257? How 257 upon 999? Students give the answer in 1 second. 257 upon 999. See, they are ready with the answer. The moment I stop the question, they are ready with the answer. What will be 91 upon 999? Students, don't go wrong, huh? Don't go wrong. 91 upon, huh?
So it should be 0.919191?
No.
Oh, I missed that.
Yeah, so the answer is ready on the chat box. They all have given the answer 091.
091. Lovely.
All right. And then students, what will be 1 minus 0.349? I'm just giving random numbers. 3497. Students, give me the answer quickly on the chat box. 0 point. Yes, someone is ready. 6503. Perfect. And they are not using calculator and they are doing it faster than the calculator.
Very nice.
They are doing faster than the calculator because कैल्सी में भी वो की टाइप करने को टाइम लगता है, इसमें वो टाइम भी बचता है. Which our students will agree, right? Students, am I right? Calci will take more time than these tricks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. So, Pooja, since you came,
That's
I just I'll share something with you. And there were some
I think
more
we
tricks,
are we are taking our students back to the traditional methods of learning where you don't use calculator, you don't use your phone calculator, but you are using this.
Yes, yes, yes.
मैम 12th
And
स्टैंडर्ड में
The
कैलसी
more you
अलाउड ही नहीं
use
है ना
this, it
And
gets
12th
12th
standard
active.
12th
12th
standard
standard, yeah, they
कैलसी
have
अलाउड
such,
नहीं है
yeah, they have complicated sums, but they are not allowed to use calculator as per the board rules. So they have to do it manually.
And after they come into colleges, we spoil them, give them calculators and satyanas. But I think
लेकिन
these
junior
are
में
beautiful tricks.
जूनियर में अलाउड ही नहीं है, बोर्ड का रूल है, इन द मैथ्स पेपर दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू यूज कैलकुलेटर, वो खाली डिग्री में आके यूज करते हैं.
I would suggest, ma'am, take at least 10, 12 hours of some design certificate course that we can do for Vedic maths. It will be a
Sure.
very good idea that, you know, whatever tricks are there, you know, in 1 hour, 2 hour, you can't teach them everything.
Yes,
But there
yes,
are, Vedic maths is like an ocean, you know,
Yes,
there are a
yes,
lot
it
of
is an
videos,
ocean.
but if you, yeah, so if somebody can design a 30-hour or a 25-hour sessions of Vedic maths to teach them some beautiful drops of ocean, I think our children, when they go for actuarial science, when they go for chartered accountancy, when they go for further accounting basics, I think this will be able to help them. So I would suggest,
Yes.
please, junior college team can take up this, and our degree college also will benefit out of it. So some of the junior college kids start helping Bhavna ma'am so that, you know, we can design a free certificate course, and then later on, at the end of the day, students can get a Vedic mathematics so and so tricks learned in this certificate program. This will help our students to get even careers placed. So please do design something like this.
Yeah, somebody said we
Yes,
should have
one
one
day
day for Vedic maths lecture in a week. Yeah, because they get very frustrated with these kind of calculations in the exam. And because of that frustration, you know, the next sum is also likely to go wrong, because once your mind is tired and, you know, exhausted,
Yes.
then you are likely to make silly mistakes in your next. So these tricks are so cool that keeps your mind very fresh all the time.
Yeah, and you know, the more the complicated ones, I know additions and subtractions are easier, but when it goes to
Multiplication.
division, multiplications, it becomes little more complicated. So
Yes,
those
yes.
tricks should be taught to the students, and I would suggest, you know, when you teach them these tricks in class, 11th standard, at least make them get used to these Vedic mathematics tricks. They will be helpful to them.
Yes,
So
I think
I would expect.
yeah.
So Epsilon Club, Epsilon, if I'm not
Epsilon
mispronouncing.
is a sign,
Epsilon.
mathematical symbol, which means belongs to. It's a mathematical symbol, which means belongs to. So there's
Okay, so
belongingness.
Epsilon Club, looking forward to designing a 30-hour Vedic mathematics program. Let us see who designs and shows it to us, so that, you know, Bhavna ma'am can mentor them, and other maths teachers can join in, and you can give it to students. And just keep it for junior college, degree college students, and I'm sure at the end of the day, take one exam, and based on the evaluation, you give them a certificate.
Perfect, perfect.
I'll
Yes,
be more than happy.
yes.
ma'am,
So
we are
our
all
Perfect.
pumped
president,
for this.
yeah, core team,
Yes.
you are ready to conduct this session for 11th standard when they come. All right,
Definitely.
core
Yes.
team, are you ready?
Definitely,
ma'am.
Teach
definitely.
them, first teach them. Perfect.
They will
Perfect.
do it now. They don't need me to do it. They will pick up one trick, master the trick, and they will do the presentation. I'll train them for the
Definitely,
presentation.
ma'am. Definitely.
Lovely. I think mentors by students, as I always say, HR is of the students, by the students, for the students.
Absolutely.
So I'll be more than happy if students learn 30 tricks, teach 30, whosoever is participating, and at the end of the day, take exam, which I am sure Bhavna ma'am will be able to help you there. I think you need to learn the setting of papers trick, then give it to students, give it online, and after that finish, give them certificate.
Yes, yes, yes.
That'll be lovely.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you
please.
so much, ma'am. Those words were definitely inspiring for our students and all the participants. Now it's quiz time, and I'm sure Pooja ma'am's address to you all, Bhavna ma'am's teaching and everything just is going to pump you all for the next round. So over to you guys, the MCs.
That was really informative, Bhavna ma'am. The fear of calculation has just vanished from our minds. And I know this for a fact too, that all of our participants are very excited to apply these tricks. And like always, Epsilon has got you covered. It's quiz time. We have organized a small quiz which will help you apply all these concepts learned in this beautiful session. So let's understand the rules and regulations of this quiz. First, questions based on the topics taught in the session will be flashed on the screen. Participants have to DM us the answers on our Instagram handle @epsilon_HR_college. Third, the allotted time for all the question is 3 minutes. The answers sent in one message only, failing of which will lead to disqualification. The message should also contain the participant's name. Decision of the organizing committee will be final and binding. All the best.
The ground is open for questions. If participants have any questions, you can raise your hands. We'll unmute you.
Yeah, Satish, don't worry about that.
Yeah, Satish, don't worry about the post procedures. I would request all the participants to please ensure that you answer it within 3 minutes, because 3 minutes has been set as the deadline.
How many
Okay,
questions have you
Dennis.
said, Shamik?
Ma'am, there are
38.
total 38 questions. I
38
repeat,
questions in 3 minutes?
I
Ma'am, it's going to
repeat,
be
there are
very
38
quick.
questions. I hope you all have just learned all the potential you need to answer them in 3 minutes. So I guess we should, and there would be absolutely no disturbance to the participants in these 3 minutes. So all the best to you all.
So,
May the
Shamik,
best ones
there's
win.
a
Yeah,
participant
Vishakha.
who does not use IG. So what you can do is PC me the answers. I'm there in the group. Janish, you can PC me the answers.
And teachers, hold on. After the quiz, it's your round.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, teachers. Okay.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
participants, you have 3 minutes. Bhavesh?
Give me a minute.
Those who aren't using Instagram, then you can DM it to Vishakha. Thank you.
And it's a prerequisite to follow us on Instagram. So if that is the rule is broken, then you are disqualified immediately. So just a heads up. The timer starts now. Participants, the time stops now. Thank you so much. We will be announcing the winners on our page directly tonight. So stay tuned for that.
Shamik, can we have the feedback posted on the chat box, and we can start with teachers round.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Let the two things go simultaneously.
Yes.
We are running
Sure.
short of time. Our
Bhavesh,
teachers
could you do
know?
the
Yeah, sure. Okay, so guys, so now I would like to announce that the platform is in front of you all. So to express your opinions and views about this event, and now we will be posting a link for the same to share your feedback in the Google form. Sanya, could you please post the link in the chat box?
Students, your feedback will help the core committee to organize such events. So give your feedback. It is just 1 minute to take to give the feedback, not more than 1 minute, and you can give your suggestions to it. Yeah, while students are filling the feedback form, we can continue with our session.
Yes. Bhavesh?
Yeah. So now I would like to take this event forward by asking some of the mathematics questions to our beloved teachers. Yes, you have guessed it right. It's a teacher's quiz round. So teachers, are you ready? I know that you all will be great at this quiz.
Can you have the videos on, teachers, just for fun if possible, if you're comfortable?
Bhavna ma'am, videos on.
मतलब hand raise करोगे तो पता चलेगा ना हमको.
Okay. We are not going to write anything in the chat box. Yes.
No,
for
no.
sure.
आप ऐसे ही आंसर बोलो ना. मनमोहन सर ने अभी से हैंड रेज किया है, उनको co-host बना दो, शायद उनको co-host बनना होगा. Just make sure all teachers are co-hosts.
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers,
वीडियो ऑन नहीं हो रहा था.
अच्छा तो इसलिए हैंड रेज कर दिया. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल रेज योर हैंड, अदरवाइज इट्स ओके. Yes. All right, teach students, it's all your.
Yeah, may I begin? Yeah. So teachers, are you ready? So the first question for you all is the only number that is the same number of letters as its meaning?
Four, na? FOUR,
Bhavesh, you
4 letters.
stop the share.
Yeah, give me a minute.
Because we could. Okay.
Yeah, Bhavna ma'am, you were correct. The answer for this question is 4. So teachers, the next question for you all is, what is the perimeter of a circle called?
Circumference.
Diameter.
No, somebody.
Huh?
No.
It's a circumference.
Yeah, who said circumference?
Yeah, ma'am. Circumference is the correct answer.
Who said that?
Kausar miss.
Kriti.
Preeti ma'am, Preeti ma'am.
Not Kausar. Who said that?
Preeti ma'am. So next question for you all is, what is the square of 55? It was taught by Bhavna ma'am in today's lecture.
3025.
3025.
मैंने बोला
Rashmi तूने बोला.
Rashmi ma'am and Bharti ma'am got it correct.
Yes, yeah, 3025.
What is 745 divided by 999 equivalent?
मैं बोलूं
Yes, ma'am. go
0.745.
I said
Exactly.
5.
अरे मैंने वीडियो ऑन और रेज हैंड किया है ना.
Yes, that was the fastest.
Perfect level, ma'am.
0.745, right?
Exactly correct, ma'am.
I also said
हमको भी मिलना चाहिए साथ में.
अरे भाई मैं अच्छा मेरे को
आपका वीडियो ऑन होगा तो इजी रहेगा
हाँ,
पता
तो मैंने
चलाना.
वीडियो ऑन रखा है बट हम स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं तो मैंने फटाक से रेज हैंड किया.
ओके ओके परफेक्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
So teachers, the next question for you all is,
रश्मि ये नहीं चलेगा.
What is the full form of
sum of board mass. What is
Board
the full form
mass.
of board mass?
ये कुछ तो है. Addition,
bracket
subtraction, division, multiplication,
bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
I said
Practical, you are close.
multiplication.
Bracket of division, multiplication,
From just
addition
one
and
word is
subtraction.
incorrect.
Yes, ma'am.
Bracket
You are really
of-
close.
हाँ ब्रैकेट ऑफ ये तो है ना. क्या है उसका? क्या एक वन वर्ड है?
D means क्या हुआ?
उसका
Division,
अलग है.
multiplication.
नहीं
Addition
DMAS
and
बराबर
squaring.
है, ब्रैकेट भी बराबर है. ओ खाली आपको करेक्ट करना है.
हाँ, O का खाली correction.
operation.
ब्रैकेट
Yes.
ऑपरेशन ब्रैकेट
Operation.
नहीं,
मैम मैं पूरा बोलती हूँ अभी. Bracket of operation, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes, sir. I did it.
स्टूडेंट्स.
नो बट इट्स ब्रैकेट ओपन होता है ना. ब्रैकेट
हाँ,
ओपन
correct.
मैम हमने हेल्प किया मुझे.
There are both. Bracket
Bracket
operations or
open.
bracket open.
अभी मैं
Bracket-
राइट हूँ. अभी मैं राइट.
Yes, Bharti, you were right. Because it's bracket open. Yes.
ब्रैकेट ओपन ऑपरेशन नहीं ओपन. यस.
So teachers, the next question is, two girls were born to the same mother at the same day, at the same time, on the same month, in the same year, and yet somehow they are not twins.
Why
दे आर नॉट आइडेंटिकल ट्विंस. मतलब क्या बोलते हैं? सॉरी. ये क्या है? अच्छा वो मैथ्स में जवाब दे. Two girls were born on the same to the same mother at the same time on the same day.
Year is different.
Huh?
No, sir, they were born on the same day, same year, same month, same time.
Year तो नहीं लिखा यार.
Same.
Sorry.
The
Same.
same year.
Yeah.
2020. I know. No.
Same mother, na? Same mother, same time, same day, same month, same year भी है. फिर भी twins.
अरे भाई एक लड़का होगा एक लड़की होगा.
They were born in different centuries. बस और कुछ नहीं. क्या इतना
2020.
Same
No,
year,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am. They were
Mother
born at the
will
same time.
एक boy एक girl होगा
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ.
मैम
अरे तो
बच्चा
हमको एक
Yeah.
मिनट
Boy,
एक मिनट
girl.
हमको क्या बोलना है? हमको
पास.
इसका
Two girls बोला ना. Two girls है. Boy कहाँ से आ गया?
Yeah,
अभी
two girls were born to the same mother at the
Ma'am,
same.
there are helpers in the chat box. You can like
Yeah.
just see.
Somebody just gave a big hint. I can say the
हाँ,
answer.
क्या
I can-
They are helping.
they are triplets.
Yes, they are triplets.
हाँ,
Yes.
इतना easy answer था. Oh,
This was
Because at the
irritating.
same time, third daughter was also born to the same mother, so they became triplets.
इतना क्या घुमाते हो रे?
out of the box सोचने नहीं हुआ.
Bharti, you should have answered you being a twin, ना? तेरे को आंसर आना चाहिए था इसका. क्या रे? फायदा नहीं हुआ twin होने का. Children, we all know she is a twin.
Yeah.
They will not know, but they will not know, yeah.
So teachers, the next question for you all is, what is the value of 0.5683 when subtracted from 1?
Or simply say 1 minus 0.5683. Okay.
अच्छा ऐसे बोलने का वैसे बोलने का?
हाँ सीधा बोलना. 0.1 minus
0.
What is the value?
एक मिनट मैं वैसे बोलूंगी. हाँ 0.4314. 0.43 no
7 है लास्ट में 7 आएगा शायद.
0.4317.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैंने आपको हेल्प किया भारती.
अच्छा हाँ थैंक यू बट मैंने वैदिक मैथ्स अप्लाई किया इधर. मैंने अप्लाई किया इधर.
Correct.
0.4317. Yes.
Exactly correct, ma'am. So the next question for you all is, what is the value of 1 minus 0.3148?
1 minus 0.
Same trick, baby. 0.
That is 0.6.
3148.
0.6885. 0.8652.
Correct, ma'am.
Brilliant, Bharti, brilliant. Yes. Amazing.
Karto
So the next
calculator.
question is, Ram has 5 sons. Son has a sister. If so, how many children does Ram?
Ram has 5 sons. Son has a sister.
Each son has a sister. 5 only, na?
6.
Ram has 5.
6 क्या मैंने बोला है? 6
हाँ,
मेरे को भी यार एक
एक बहन भी है, एक बहन भी है, राइट राइट.
लक्ष्मी यार मेरे को एक पॉइंट तो मेरे को दे दो यार.
Lakshmi ma'am, relation, relations, you know.
मेरे को वैसे मेरे को कुछ आंसर आता नहीं तो
नहीं सही 6
राइट आंसर है कि नहीं बताओ.
राइट है.
फाइनली भावना मैम एक तो आंसर मिला मेरे को.
Yeah, Lakshmi.
Today actually I am having a very maths bad day.
अरे तू तो मेरा गुरु है. चल एक आंसर दिया.
I know. Lakshmi, remember terrace पे jump मार के. Oh, Bhavna ma'am, that
you are talking about mathematics. You are talking about mathematics.
We are never going to forget that participation. You know.
Yeah. Terrace पे mathematics. Yes, children. Any more questions left now?
Yes, ma'am.
और कितने हैं?
5 है मैम.
हमें इजी पूछना, मैथ्स वाला मत पूछना तो मेरे को आंसर आएगा.
रिलेशनशिप वाला पूछ ले.
मैथ्स वाला खाली मत पूछना.
Okay, ma'am. So the next question for you all is, how many times can you subtract number?
ये मैथ्स आ गया, मेरा दिमाग बंद हो गया.
9.
रश्मि तेरा हस्बैंड बाजू में बैठा है.
नंबर हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है, वो अपना काम में साथ में बैठा है.
उसका फेस तो दिखा, हम लोग भी देखे यार.
वो शर्मा रहा है.
How many times can you subtract the number 10 from 100?
Once. Oh, sorry.
Bharti ma'am, you earlier said 9.
नहीं अभी once. अरे थोड़ा दिमाग. One.
Yes,
How
ma'am,
many times?
that's the
Once.
correct answer.
Yes.
10 from.
Yeah. How many can you subtract the number 10 from 100? Yes, once.
So the next question for you all is, what is the value of 134687 multiplied by 11?
अरे बाप रे, ये तो वही वाला ना. भावना मैम थोड़ा हिंट.
ये बहुत वाला डिफिकल्ट है.
हाँ मैम, ये वाला थोड़ा हिंट. भावना मैम. Multiply by 11. क्या था रूल भावना मैम? हम तो इतना जल्दी.
Yeah, 134 into 11. Bharti, just add up the consecutive.
134 into
34
11.
multiplied by 11.
Okay.
Last
7
is
plus 7 last
4, then 7.
एक मिनट. लास्ट वाला कैसे? हाँ.
Last one
4709 मैम राइट है.
Bharti, we are doing only 134. उतना ही लो. First 3 digits into 11. ये बच्चों ने खाली डिफिकल्ट पेपर सेट किया है. हम लोग से बदला ले रहे हैं.
134 ही ले रहे हैं ना. 134 ही लो ना खाली.
हाँ, 134 ही लो. 134 into
134
into 11.
तो 4 हुआ ना.
1481557.
अरे यार मेरे को करने को नहीं आया.
क्या है मैम? ये क्या है?
भाई लक्ष्मी को क्रेडिट मत देना वो आंसर का. मेरे को किसी ने भेजा था, उसका भी मेरे को राइट आंसर टाइप करने को नहीं हुआ. Thank you, बच्चा. That student of mine. I will not really reveal the name, but thank you so much.
भावना मैम ऐसा कुछ भी
इसका
ऐसा
मतलब क्या, बच्चे ना अभी देखते हैं कि कौन से टीचर को हेल्प करने का।
अच्छा ये ऐसा
हाँ, देखा लक्ष्मी।
अरे बच्चे बच्चे सबके प्यारे होते हैं रे। आज
I
मैंने
know.
लिखा ना, आज मेरा मैथ्स का दिन नहीं है रे, आज मेरा दिमाग मैथ्स का तरफ नहीं है।
नहीं, you must be tired. No, it's too late in the evening, so maybe that's why.
no, it's refreshing in fact, you know.
नहीं मजा आ रहा है।
मजा आ
I'm
रहा है,
just
Vedic
not
maths.
able to catch up with you all in the fast this.
Yeah. So, Bhavish, can we have this last question number 12, and then stop?
It's not a maths question.
I hope so.
The last two questions are not maths question. This is the one, the last based on Vedic maths. After this question, there are two more questions which are not based on like Vedic.
भावना मैम वो नॉन वैदिक मैथ्स के ऊपर का क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए। Don't end here.
हाँ, पूछो quick.
मेरे को आंसर नहीं आया।
Should we ma'am jump to 13 and 14 instead of this?
हाँ ठीक है
Yeah. Okay.
हाँ
13.
चलेगा।
अपने वो देख के मेरे को चक्कर आ रहा था।
What is the
What is the favorite
food of mathematics professors?
Chalk. I swear, sorry.
Bye. Somebody has written, not me. Bye. Not me. Don't give me the credit.
Bye.
Thank you, bachas. I love you all.
Bhavna ma'am got it right.
Okay.
So the last question for today's teacher's quiz is, you need to just tell me the value of the last equation.
यार ये तो कैलकुलेशन ही हुआ ना यार।
Okay, coconut and
बस अभी तो मेरा दिमाग ही चकरा गया।
लेकिन आंसर तुम लोग का स्टूडेंट्स हेल्प कर रहे हैं ना, बोल दो।
नहीं रे ऐसा।
हम 2 मिनट में क्रैक कर ही रही हूँ, कोई भी प्लीज मत लिखो।
16 देखो ना, 2 plus 10.
16
Yes.
is not the answer.
16.
अरे यार मेरे को पहले एप्पल्स को काउंट करने दो।
10, 12 plus
15.
15. Yes, 15.
No, 15 is not a.
16. 16.
2 plus 10, 12 plus 4. Yes, 16.
No, 15 and 16 both are wrong.
15. 15.
No, ma'am. 15 and 16 both are wrong answers.
एक मिनट
ये है 4 minus 2. So 2 plus 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4,
Yes, ma'am.
14.
Yes,
Yes.
14 is the correct
इसमें
answer.
माइनस दिया है, right. 14. ए मैंने दिया।
भाई मैं तो इधर कितनी खूबसूरत एप्पल्स दिख रही है वो देख रही थी।
मैंने दिया।
कैलकुलेशन करने बैठ गए।
ए भावना मैम मैंने
13 आंसर
14
14 is the correct answer.
because see banana minus coconut minus दिया है बीच में साइन। Yes, 14.
Yes.
मृणाल ने माइनस नहीं देखा मैम।
वही तो बात हो जाती है ना, वही बात हो जाती है। और इन लोग कब से बोल रहे हैं 16 रॉन्ग, 15 रॉन्ग, फिर मैंने ना जूम करके देखा, माइनस। चलो नाइस।
All right. Thank you so much, students.
Thank you all. We all enjoyed it, right?
Yes, we enjoyed it, Bhavna ma'am. Thank you so much for.
That was the only main motive for us. Like we prepared all the questions. Like
नेक्स्ट टाइम ना बेटा थोड़ा नॉन मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन भी डालना, तो ही मेरे जैसे लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।
नेक्स्ट टाइम जैसे तुमने 13 क्वेश्चंस डाले हैं ना, उसमें से 10 क्वेश्चंस रिलेशनशिप पे, only 3 ऑन मैथ्स।
Yes.
नॉन मैथ्स चाहिए बस, मैथ्स में दिमाग नहीं चलता है।
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much. As usual, every time we enjoy this also we enjoyed, and thank you all my dear lovely students to give me the answers. But still, you see, I'm so bad in numbers. फिर भी मेरा numbering गलत ही गया। So sorry if I disappointed you, but thank you for helping also.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Thank you, students, for such a wonderful evening.
Dhruv, if you are saying last round was the best, I will say that session right from beginning is the best. Okay, because I think few students may be knowing the Vedic maths trick. For me, this was the first session I attended. I learned a lot. Thank you, Bhavna ma'am and team. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right from beginning, it was excellent.
Yeah, I really enjoyed. Thank you so much. All my lovely students too. The core team excellent work, and you
Acha.
understood. You have all kinds of teachers here, maths and non-maths, fast like Bharti, Rashmi,
No, no.
and people
No,
like you.
and you have been given already, that one responsibility, Bhavna ma'am. Challenge accept kar lo aap. You are going to give training to now 11th standard, one session.
What I'll do, I'll train this core team and then let them take it up and do the session with 11. Isn't it the better idea, Pooja?
And I would request you to keep one session for the teachers for more tricks, right? Aapka pura preparations ke saath. So then I would be noting down at that point of time.
Ma'am,
note down karungi.
भावना मैम एक रिक्वेस्ट है जो कि आप उसको सजेशन भी सोच सकते हो। आप जब एक्सप्लेन करोगे, आप या कोर टीम जो भी पढ़ा रहा है, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन करते वक्त थोड़ा स्लो जाना। हम जैसे स्लो लर्नर्स है मैथ्स में, जो नंबर को देखते ही दिमाग फ्रीज हो जाता है, तो थोड़ा स्लो आई वाज रियली with a paper pen I was sitting today trying to do what you were saying, but you went so fast, तो थोड़ा slowly कीजिए।
पक्का। Okay,
all are not
Lakshmi,
mathematically equipped like you.
I will run the video in slow motion so that
I'll give you a suggestion.
Or else what? Yes, Pooja ma'am. Yes, Pooja ma'am.
I'll give you a suggestion. Epsilon का एक अच्छा Instagram account है जहाँ पे daily आप एक trick डालो, उसका वीडियो डालो, and let people practice it and share it with the faculty also.
Yes.
And this way your
I'll join
followers will
Instagram,
also
yes.
go up. Just one trick per day on your Instagram posts. पहले आप बहुत छोटी tricks use करो, उसके बाद आप advance पे जाओ. Like as Lakshmi said कि आधी चीजें ऊपर गई, मुझे तो मेरे डैडी की याद आ गई थी और मम्मी जो मेरे पीछे बेलन लेके पढ़ती थी when I used to get less marks in maths. I remember still date. I used to get good मार पिटाई वाले जमाने की चीजें होती थी. So Instagram पे use it. I think it will be wonderful that you will reach out to many students and faculty by just using one trick every day. And I'm sure the day you finish 365 days and 365 tricks would have been over.
Yeah, that's a very good suggestion. Absolutely. Yes. Sheila Yadav wants to say something. Is she not co-host?
Yes,
Please unmute Sheila ma'am.
गेम बहुत अच्छा था लास्ट गेम, टीचर्स गेम.
Yes, Sheila ma'am.
यस, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत एंजॉय किया हमने, लेकिन लास्ट गेम सबसे ज्यादा एंजॉयबल था. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
All right. So who's continuing the session now?
Yeah. So now I would like to hand over this to Shramik Jamdade for giving official vote of thanks. Shramik.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bhavesh. First of all, good evening to Honorable Principal Dr. Pooja Ramchandani ma'am, Supervisor Bhavna ma'am, respected teachers, and all the participants present here. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. I, Shramik Jamdade, the President of Epsilon, the Math Club of Junior College, on behalf of the entire club, would like to heartily thank all the enthusiastic participants who blessed us with their presence and took out valuable time for us in the busy schedule. I also wish to express my gratitude to our Principal, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani ma'am, for providing encouragement and support to all our budding members. I am very grateful to our Vice Principal, Ms. Lajo Sharma ma'am, for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. Also, I would extend a special thanks to our Supervisor, Bhavna ma'am, for hosting such a wonderful session, inspiring us and teaching us these amazing and really quick tricks. The way she explained the topic is exemplary. I acknowledge each and every person who has joined us today, as no program can become successful with a single person. So I extend my big thanks to all our Epsilon club members and especially my core members for their support and coordination that they have displayed throughout. Thank you guys for making this event successful with your immense contribution. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot, teachers. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. And excellent. I hope students have benefited and we have served the purpose of this entire session. Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, Instagram pe that result you are putting
Post
up
you
for
can,
the students. Ma'am, Instagram pe results you are putting now for students who have filled the results.
Yeah, ma'am. The results will be out very soon.
Results will be you are putting on Instagram, right?
Yes, ma'am. They will be declared via Instagram once we are finished analyzing all the results.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any teacher wants to say anything? Sheila ma'am, Sheila Shahi, anybody wants to say something? I can't see actually everybody here on my screen,
हाँ भावना मैम,
but I can see
यस भावना मैम, प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही अच्छा था। और ट्रिक तो वैसे दिमाग के ऊपर से गए, ऑफ कोर्स हमको ट्रिक भी समझा देना, वो ट्रिक्स जो तमाम बताए ब्लैक बोर्ड पर करके, तो देख रही थी, समझ में नहीं आया उतना कुछ भी। कोशिश कर रही थी, वो BODS का मैं भी कोशिश कर रही थी कि क्या रहेगा उसका आंसर। सो बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत अच्छा रहा। थैंक यू सो मच। स्टूडेंट्स ने भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से जो है पूरा कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया, बहुत बढ़िया रहा। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
भावना
ये
मैम,
शीला, आप वो एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम जैसा नहीं हो सकता है हमको, मतलब ये मैथ्स रिलेटेड है, तो आपका पहला तो थोड़ा माइंडसेट ही वो होता है ना कि ये मैथ्स है, मुझे पल्ले नहीं पड़ने वाला है, तो ये भी थोड़ा एक फैक्टर हो जाता है।
हाँ, अरे बिल्कुल।
Response of the students on the chat box, the way they were replying to the questions and they were
हाँ, बट कितने फटाफट बच्चे आंसर
तो
कर रहे थे।
वो थोड़ा माहौल बन जाता है। हाँ हाँ हाँ,
इतनी जल्दी, हम तो सोच भी नहीं सकते इतनी जल्दी सेकंड्स में ही आंसर आ जाए फटाफट।
हाँ, वही सेकंड्स में आंसर, 1 और 2 सेकंड्स में आंसर आना, वही ट्रिक है बस।
बहुत बढ़िया रहा, बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा भावना मैम, आपको भी बधाई और बच्चों का भी अभिनंदन।
थैंक यू। पूजा मैम, एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू ऐड टू इट?
नहीं, मैं शीला शाही मैडम की पूरी भावनाएं समझ सकती हूँ, सेम विथ मी, बट आई थिंक अप्रिशिएट द किड्स का थिंग।
Yes.
I think appreciate the kids' efforts completely.
Yes.
I think they deserve a very big hand, very big hand.
Yes.
And when they get good mentor like Bhavna and maths teachers, I think then sky is the limit for them. So,
and
now
Kausar
I'll
is
be
also
looking forward to learning those tricks on Instagram. 365 days, 365 tricks. Let's see. A challenge to you and a 30-hour Vedic mathematics certificate program.
Yes.
So
and I would like to say
that's your target.
thank you. Yes. And I would like to say thank you to Kausar. She's been helping us. She's also in charge of Epsilon Club. And thanks Shramik and Vishaka and Anushka and Kashish and Dhwani and everybody, the entire team member, and Bhavesh and Gurunath, and whose name I'm forgetting. Yes, thank you very much. All right, thanks.
Yes,
and we can end the
Thank you
session
so
here.
much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Once again, I would thank all the teachers who have joined us, all the participants, to make this event such a good. Thank you. I'll end the meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that.